In today's video, I will teach you how to make captions for short-form videos used by many creators like Alex Hormozi, Mr. Beast, Ali Abdaal, and many others. We will be using an AI tool called Submagic to do this. You can open it by clicking the first link in description. If you are using it for the first time, you will be asked to sign in. You can enter any of your Gmail ID and sign in. I already have an account, so I will just log in. On the Submagic page, click here anywhere and you will be able to upload a video. I am selecting a short video for this demonstration. After selecting video, you can rename it from here. You can also select the language of the video from here. Now click on Upload. The video will be uploaded within some time. You can see that the video has been uploaded and the captions are being generated. The captions are ready. I will show you how amazing they are.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
Now if you want to make any changes, you can just click here to edit. You can also add emojis to the text to make it look better. There is this design option here, where there are some extra styles of fonts, which look exactly the same as Alex Hormozi, Mr. Beast, Ali Abdaal, and some other creators. If I click here on Beast, you can see the captions look just like Mr. Beast captions. You can change the font, alignment, shadow, and other features of the text as well from here. You can click here on description and Submagic will give you AI-generated description for your video. Our video is now ready. It's time to export it. Click here on Pay and Export. Don't worry, I will tell you a coupon code and a trick that will reduce the cost by 30% and you will be able to get captions for unlimited videos. First, make sure you choose the yearly plan, because we get 20% off on the yearly plan. However, if you wish, you can select monthly plan as well. Now, out of the basic and pro plan, I will highly recommend selecting pro plan, because in the basic plan you can get captions for 20 videos only. But in pro plan you can get captions for unlimited videos. Also you can upload longer videos in the pro plan with a better upload speed. Now, click here on Pay Now. On this payment page, you can see the option to add promotion code here on the left-hand side. Enter the code WB Explainer and click on Apply. You will get extra 10% discount, saving you $48, which is equal to almost 3 extra months of basic plan or 1 extra month of pro plan. Now that you have received a total discount of 30%, you can enter the remaining details over here and complete the payment. Videos with such captions are very popular on Shorts, Reels as well as TikTok and get millions of views. I hope this video will help you in reaching a greater audience with amazing short-form content. If you liked this video, drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.